Well, if you want to convert your Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint file into PDF, there are two very easy methods. First method is that first of all you have to open your Word file, click on file icon here, and then click on save as icon, and after that click on browse icon. Now the new window pops up. Here you have to do two works. First is that you have to select your destination of the file to where you want to save it. For example, I want to save my file on desktop in the folder Word to PDF. So here is my folder Word to PDF. I have selected it, and now you have to select the format of your file. For example, I want to convert my file into PDF, so select PDF and then click on save. So the sample of your converted file is here. You can see your converted file in the folder you had selected already. So let's see our converted file first of all. So our folder was Word to PDF. Let's open it. Here our converted file from Microsoft Word to PDF is here. Let's see and open it. Here we can see that our file Paradise Lost and Introduction is converted into PDF. So this is the very easy method of converting your file from Word, Excel or PowerPoint to PDF. So next method is you can convert your file using internet. For converting your file from Word, Excel or PowerPoint into PDF using internet, you have to go on Google Chrome, and then here you have to type Word to PDF, Word to PDF, and then open first, second or third website like Small PDF or I Love PDF. You have to open Small PDF website, and you have to drag your file directly, or you can select on choose file. Like I am going to drag my file using the cursor. So I will minimize the bar, and then I will click on it and then drag directly my file on the website. You can also click on choose and then select your file for converting. So file is being converted. So here download option is popped up. You can click on download and the file is downloaded. You can right click on it, show in folder, click on show in folder, and then click on click on copy. So your file is converted here. So click on Control X or Control C, and then go to the destination folder on which you want to convert your file. For example, I want to convert it here in this folder Word to PDF. So I will click on the folder, I will open it, and I will save the file here. The file is saved here, and this is the converted file from Microsoft Word to PDF. So these are two very easy methods. Stay always blessed. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.